An AI agent reads a support ticket, queries your production database, and approves a $3,000 customer refund. No human in the loop. If that agent receives one manipulated input, you have a problem. Why does traditional security fail for AI agents? An AI agent makes dynamic decisions. They adapt based on tool responses you never fully control. The attack most developers miss is indirect prompt injection via tool use. A malicious instruction embedded in a tool response can redirect your agent without user ever knowing. What fails if I only use a content filter? A content filter stops obvious misuse. It will not catch context-dependent manipulation. And one callback applied to one agent does not scale across 50. What does ADK give me that I do not have today? Google's Agent Development Kit gives you 5 security layers built into the framework: identity and authorization, guardrails including the plugin system, sandbox execution, evaluation and tracing, and network controls. Not buttons, built in from day one. How does each layer handle what Ad-Hoc phases could not? The Gemini-as-Judge plugin screens every input and output using a fast, low-cost model before your primary agent acts. 2 context policies are set by your code, not the model. The LLM cannot override them. Tracing gives you a full audit trail of every tool call. You cannot secure what you cannot observe. How do I actually set this up? 3 key steps. Configure your hot model, register a security plugin at the runner level, and then set your tool context policy. One plugin registration covers every agent on that runner. That is how you scale security without repeating it. What should I remember from this video? Security for AI agents is not a filter you had at the end. It is a framework you build from start. ADK gives you that framework across Python, TypeScript, Go, and Java. Where do you go next? Start at adk.dev, where you can find full documentation and code samples in Python, TypeScript, Go, and Java. Connect with me on LinkedIn for more insights. Thank you for watching.